Hello teachers, I'm going to teach you how to use Classkick to assign the homework to your students and how to mark them. So first of all, you have to log in to the Classkick account. Okay, after you get in, you can see we have Japanese homework, Mandarin homework, Korean homework, and Cantonese homework over here. So let me just use the Mandarin homework as an example. So all the folders is over here. Let me use the HSA2 as an example. So for example, let me pick a homework over here. Okay, so here is students' homework, the 2 slices. So basically, you just have to click assign on the top. Okay, and then you assign a roster. For example, I will assign the Jasmine to do this homework. Okay, see? So here, you can see there's a link. So you copy this link, you share this link to your students. So your students could do the homework via this link. So let's see what will your students see. Okay, basically your students will see something like this. So she just need to type in Jasmine, okay, and click in. And she will see 2 slices homework. And the first one is speaking homework. And basically, she can just listen to teacher.
你吃饭的时候喜欢做什么?
Okay, if she wants to do like recording her answer, she will do something like this. 我吃饭的时候喜欢看电视. Then automatically the answer is over here. 我吃饭的时候喜欢看电视. Okay, and for the reading homework, translating homework, basically students just need to type in. Something like that. So actually student doesn't need to submit anything, okay? And then automatically teacher will see her work. Let's go back to Classkick. Okay, right now, when you go back to here, view work, you will see Jasmine has already done her homework. See over here. And then you can just listen to students' homework, mark. Over here, change the color, listen to it, give a tick. Second page, and you can use your red pen to mark it. You also can give the students the sticker over here. Yes. Okay, so basically students just need to go back to the same link and she can see the teacher's feedback. Yeah. Okay, so this will help you and your students really easy to do the homework and you really easy to mark the homework. Okay, I hope this will help you out. Thank you.